Hello? You're poor. Okay. Ah. Hey, ladies. Woo! That shit fucking hurts, dude. Just give me a minute. Let me know what I'm gonna do. Whoops, I don't drink that one, dude. That shit fucking burned, dude. That shit fucking burned, dude. I don't care if I eat no caller ID having that person. Person! You know, it'd be lit if I just did these doubles. You turn into a monster. By the way, guys, the fire sales were on, dude. I had a moment to recollect myself. The fire sales are on, dude. I promise you, I'll figure it out, dude. Don't do that, dude. Don't do that, dude.